Good PM, ngayon po ay Thursday, January 11, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong Thursday, January 11, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong January 11, 2024 Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Thursday, January 11, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 is 5.9 million pesos and Super Lotto 649 estimated jackpot price is 571 million pesos for January 11, 2024 Thursday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Thursday, January 11, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.